G'day guys, Andrew Lewis, Yass Valley Property here at 19 Cooks Hill Road, and you can see what fantastic views we've got here. You can watch the sunrise out off the front deck and set here off the back deck, and the sun follows you all around the house. We've got 3 living areas, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, so it's a pretty large property on a 1700 square metre block. Ideal for the growing family. Still located in the town limits, but you know, you've got a big block and big views. Inspections are highly recommended. This is a very good buy. I'm quite sure it won't be on the market long. For more information, visit our website, yassvalleyproperty.com.au, or give us a buzz. Thank you.